Today we will be unboxing our 18-inch by 24-inch solar flashing LED rectangle retrofit kit by Traffic Thingz. First out of the box is a small bag that contains the smaller pieces of the kit. 1 tube of waterproof silicone grease, 4 screws, 8 washers, 4 nuts for mounting the kit onto your traffic sign alongside the adhesive backing that is located on each light bar, and 4 corner pieces used to connect the light bars together. Next are the 4 light bars, 2 at 24-inch lengths and 2 at 18-inch lengths. One of which has a stainless steel connector cable that attaches to the control box. Next is one solar-powered control box. It is 15 by 13.75 by 1.75 inches in size, equipped with a 15-watt solar panel. Lastly is one hardware kit to mount the control box to your pole to complete the final look. There you have it, a kit with the perfect fit. Can be purchased with a brand new traffic sign or used on an existing sign. You can shop by visiting ledlighting-solutions.com or call the number on your screen.